Hi everyone, my name's Corrie. I'm a Cricut contributing artist and I go under the name of Glitterati. And today I'm going to show you how I made this trick or treat sign with one of my images from Cricut Design Space. It's a really simple project to do. This back piece is glitter cardstock and it's basically just attached to this backboard of the frame. This is just an old frame that I had laying around. And then this is the image and I've cut it from Cricut craft board in black. And as you can see, it's come out really nice, even though there's some quite delicate little cuts here. This is an A4 frame, just for reference. And I used beacon glue to attach the two together. So I've done a quick tutorial just to show you how to do it. And I'm going to go into Cricut Design Space now and show you where the project is. Okay, so we're in my Cricut Design Space profile now. And as you can see, this is the trick or treat bat sign here. If you go into here, there are images. I've already typed in trick or treat, and you can see there are other similar ones. These are with the little printer next to them, just in case you don't know. These are for like print and cut, so you could use these as stickers. We have versions of the same bat here in different colours. This is the one that I used with the scissors. That means it's a cut file. But I'll use the project and I will put the link for the project in the description below. So what we need to do is click on it. And if you want to cut it the size that I've made, this is in an A4 frame, then you can just click make it and it will take you straight to the mat ready to cut. And then all you need to do is click continue and choose your materials. Looks like my maker's taking a while to connect. Anyway, just wanted to show you that. If you wanted to make any adjustments, I'll just cancel out of this. When you get to the project, let me just go back to, oh, there we are. If you wanted to make any changes, size-wise or anything else, you could just go into this customize button, and then obviously you can resize or whatever you want to do. Maybe make more bats. Or smaller. I made these bats from the larger one. I basically just duplicated it and then I contoured it. Basically, if you click hide all contours, it takes all of that away. So as an example, if you wanted to maybe just have like a 2-layer of this, you could maybe change this to red. And if I pull it down so it's underneath, and then you could essentially put those together like that. Just thinking of other ways that you might want to use the design. Like that. That would look really cool. Anyway, just wanted to show you that. And then again, click make and choose your materials. And then it will do its thing and cut them. So next I'm going to show you how I put it together. Okay, so this is the old frame that I had laying around. I just took the back piece and used a piece of A4 glitter cardstock, double-sided tape, just in 2 strips across the back, and just attached it that way. I just placed it straight in the middle. I know there's a little edge around there, but the frame thankfully covers that. Okay, so this is the Cricut craft board. These are the bats. As you can see, it's cut all those little delicate areas really nicely. I've still got the centers of like the O's and the R's on the mat there. I'll get those in a minute. So I'm just kind of wanting the bats at like a jaunty angle like this. The design itself is meant to be a bit sort of off-center and quirky. So I'm just going to use the Beacon 3-in-1, go all over the back of these 3 pieces. The Beacon 3-in-1 is really good glue if you're wanting to put cardstock on top of glitter cardstock. I find that not all glues will hold card onto the glitter cardstock. Okay, so I'm just kind of placing that sort of in the middle, and then I'm going to put glue into the center of like the R, A, O, and then just pick out the little delicate pieces and put them in place. Okay, I'm going to put it back in the frame now. And that is the project finished. Quite a simple one. There we go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please follow and subscribe. Thanks, bye.